Hello, this is Nikki in Niagara, coming to you from Niagara Falls, Canada. And today we're going to play a little catch-up with some unboxings. And first I'm going to show you Zen Pop's January box. This is a Japanese Kawaii subscription box. And we will have a look at what the theme is. This is the puppy pack. Okay, I'm not a dog lover, but I will admit there is some pretty cute dog stuff out there. So we'll put this to one side and we will use the information sheet to let us know what things are if we can't figure it out on our own. So first thing is interesting packaging. Oh, this is a friction pen. Now, make sure I'm on the screen. So this is a friction pen, a Pilot friction pen. These are really popular. I think it's because they are erasable highlighters. So let's use this little book right here to check out what we've got. And yes, it does erase. I think I already have one of these. Not 100% sure, but I think I do have one already. But they're cool. They're really popular. Okay, so next we have another pen. Okay, this says postcard and ballpoint pen. Oh, that's really nice. It is a card of Mount Fuji. Sorry for the shadows, it's evening here. Mount Fuji card, that's really nice. So it is a postcard. And let's take out the ballpoint pen so we can have a look at how it writes. And I'll just keep the card in there for the time being. Okay, so what does it say on it? Just going to get my glasses on, see if I can read what it says. It says, oh, it just says where the image comes from. Oh, it's really nice. It has, it's really hard to see in this light, but it has the Mount Fuji pattern that's on the postcard on it. So let's see how this writes. Just your normal ballpoint pen, feels nice. Let's see, put this stuff here. Okay, so now we'll reach in and we have some Daily Like masking tape, and this has little doggies all around it. Oh, there we go. Stop moving it, we'll let it focus. It's cute. Okay, then the next thing we have is, oh, I like this, to-do list, memo. And it has different, I don't want to open it too much in case it breaks the spine. This is by Mindwave. It's got 80 sheets. And it has a couple of different pages in it, so sort of like the book that I'm writing in right now. Okay, so just a minute, I want to look that one up. Reiki Denshi refers to boys who have a background in science or tech. On the other hand, girls who study science are called Reiki Joshi. Try not to get distracted by all such sultry science happening on these hilarious to-do list notes. Hope they will inspire you to do your best. Okay, so does it just have the boys or does it have the boys? Oh yeah, it's got girls. Or me. I don't know. I can't tell sometimes. You can't tell if it's a boy or girl sometimes. Japan. Okay, next we have a little eraser, I guess. It is a little dog and a shoe. That's cute. We'll read the list when I'm done so that we can see everything. Okay, so now we have a nice big notebook here. Dot Bit notebook, and this has pixelated dogs all over it. Well, this opens up with one of these bands, and it has grid paper in it. Yay! Well, that's really nice. I like that. Good quality. And it is made by Dot Bit. Oh no, it's made by Oriental Berry Company, Japan. That's nice. I like that. Okay, so next we have another washi, and this one is from Shinzi Kato, and it is really difficult to see because it's a shiny pink with little doggies on it. Okay, and next we have, oh, these are the little coin envelopes. We usually, I won't say we always get some of these, but it's quite often we get these. These are really cute. I like them. So, little envelopes. I think there's 3 in there. Yep. Okay, and then next, oh, this feels like it's paper as well. Ooh. Okay, so here we have Kumamon. That's it. Notebook and a pencil. And this is by Toki Watoi. Let's open it up. Some really nice things this time. Oh, not there. It's always really nice, but I'm surprised at how much I like it when it's a dog theme. This looks like a bear to me, though. It isn't as dog themed as you would think. So that's just a pencil with no eraser. And this is, oh, this is really nice. Oh, I like this. And this is nice paper, too. Really shiny, glossy covers. And the I believe Kumamon is a licensed character. Okay, and then next we have a little window photo frame. Oh, yeah. So there you go. You put a photograph in it, a little Instagram photograph in that, and the windows open up and you can see your picture. Now that'll be really cute to use for journaling. Okay, next is another pen, and this is by Mimi. Cute dog. Oh, is that ever cute? Look at that guy. He's a little cutie. And this is a 2-colored pen. Let's see what colors it gives us. It looks like it's red and black. So this should be black. Yes. And the other ear should give us red. Yes. That writes nicely. Cute. Oh, that's really cute. I like that. Okay, so feels like I only have one thing left, so I'm just going to peek. I kind of two of the same type things. We have two sticker pages, and these are adorable. I can't believe how much I like these. Illustrated by Rio Umida. This is by Mindwave. These are really, really cute little doggies. Little chubby fat doggies. And then these are planner stickers. They have various different things on there. And this looks like it's 2 sheets. Yes, it is. It's 2 sheets. And this is by ayuyoshigaru.com. Hey, that was good. Surprisingly, considering it was dog themed, there's not all that much dog stuff. So let's go through the sheet here and make sure we got everything and make sure that we got it all right. Excuse me while I just have a sip of pop. Okay, so the Ricky Danshi to-do list, memo pad, science themed, window photo frame, Pilot friction highlighter in blue, Kumamoto pencil and notebook. Here it is, notebook, pencil. Kumamon is one of the most popular characters in Japan. Kumamon is from Kumamoto in Kyushu, and his job is to show the parts of Kumamoto to people all over the world. Okay, so we could have gotten one of 3 designs, and the design that it's showing in the on the page is the one that I got, so I don't know what the other ones were. Then we have a schedule pop seal. That's this one. And we could have gotten, there was a choice of 2. Get one with seasonal trees or themed stickers. So this is the tree one, obviously. Then we have an ukiyo style ink pen and postcard. So that's this pen here and this postcard. This is from the Edo period, and we could have gotten one of 3 pictures. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. I wondered why I couldn't figure out what it was. So we could have gotten one of 3 designs. We could have gotten the big wave. We could have gotten one called Fine Wind Clear Morning, which shows kind of like a somebody in traditional dress, or this one. So I really like that. And then it says bonus washi tape. So that is this one right here, the brown one with the puppies on it. This is for subscribers only, and there was one of 5 patterns, and the one that they show is black with white dogs. Then there's the 2 color ballpoint pen, and black and red, though there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones to choose from. I think mine's the cutest one there. Then we got the Dot Bit notebook, Dog Pochi Brookie, Bukaro. Okay, so here we have, everybody got the same design, and it has a Dachshund, a Papillon, a Shih Tzu, a French Bulldog, a Cavalier, and a miniature Schnauzer. Then we have Polka Shiba stickers. Then we have a dog eraser, and there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to choose from. 3 with a dog in its dog house, 1 with a dog in its bowl, and the one with the dog in the shoe. That's cute. And then everybody got the pink dog washi. It's really cool. I'm really happy with that for a dog-themed pack. I'm very, very pleased. I really, really like the notebook the best, I think. I just love notebooks. Oh, thank you for joining me, and if you made it this far, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below and ring the bell, and you will find out what I'm up to next. Thank you. Bye-bye.